Building an understanding of Aboriginal cultures within the border population is crucial to Aboriginal people's health, social, economic, and emotional well-being, and the overall unity and pride of our nation. The Taino have lost many of their traditions, their language, and their religious beliefs, and never received any communal lands when the mission was dismantled. They shun any kind of militancy, recriminations, or even demand for lands as a right. They do not engage in protests or speak out on issues of social justice. What has developed then is a case of reconciliation without self-determination.